Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Google Drive. After that, in this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.